Hello and welcome to HWM Works Engine Build Department. My name's Bruce, I'm the Senior Build Manager, and we hope to support customers with their standard engine rebuilds and then possible performance enhancements in the future. Okay, so a little bit about me. So I started building engines for the Aston Martin factory in 2007, which then morphed into building the racing engines for the N24 for the factory. And then we moved on to McLaren after that. I built engines for the McLaren 12C program, and then moved on to working for myself. So, and that's involved building all sorts of things other than V8 platform Aston Martin. That's Ferraris and Maseratis, Jaguars, to which we have a few in the build shop today. So predominantly VH platform engines, but we do diverse. So if somebody had a project as well as an Aston Martin, they said, well, we've got an Aston project, but have you got something else? We would take that on. So HWM saw an opportunity. I was looking to semi-retire. We sat around and bounced a few ideas around and came out with this new venture, which is really exciting. We're taking on new apprentices to move my knowledge into the future, as well as hopefully some skilled guys to move the business forward. So quite exciting times, really. Looking forward to it. Yeah, moving on, the vehicle you see behind us is an exciting new project we've just completed. This is a customer's personal track car, although it is road legal. It was out racing and the engine became a little bit tired, and the customer decided that maybe an upgrade might be required. The car is upgraded significantly in every other area, with suspension, brakes, exhaust, interior. It really is a seriously fast car, and apparently gives Porsche GT3s a good run for their money. But now with the new engine, which we tested last week on the hub dyno at 465 horsepower, it's a significant upgrade. The interesting part of it is it's not the usual 4.3 or 4.7. It's a 4.5, which some of you go, well, that seems a bit strange. The 4.5 has taken its inspiration from the GTE Le Mans car. So we used the same cylinder sizes and stroke ratio to create this new road car, stroke race car. It's an amazing thing. And I'm sure the customer's going to really enjoy it once we get it back on track. So let's take a bit of a close up of the car. This car's called Domino. This carries on from the trend of the race teams of naming their cars. So we talk about this as a 4.5. Now it's badged at 4.7. And that's only really, we haven't had a chance to make the plaque to go on top of the engine yet. But the important thing really is, from an external point of view, it looks absolutely standard. All of the craftsmanship is all on the inside. So it's got forged pistons, steel connecting rods, loads of cylinder head work, all coupled with the fact it's balanced to within 0.1 of a gram. It runs a twin plate clutch and a lightweight flywheel, tubular 4-branch exhaust manifolds. The cats, I believe, are 400 density, so slightly thicker than what more people would normally run. People will not go for 200s. It's got 2 GT4 exhaust boxes in the back, rather than the singular standard one, which gives it really, really nice noise. Quite refined, it's not, and it's very track legal as well, which is good. Like we said before, it made 465 horsepower on the hub dyno, which was really impressive, and probably more than I expected it would. So very happy. So there we have it. We've got some really exciting projects coming in 2026. Hope you can follow us and keep an eye on what we're up to. Yeah, it's just going to be a great year. So catch you soon, and don't forget to like and subscribe.